Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Water Sketch Color Full Guide. Begin by laying out paper, a water brush, and palette near a towel. Dampen the brush slightly and activate a small amount of pigment on the palette. Mix a light wash, test on the corner of your paper, then practice gradients from dark to light using one stroke per value. Keep a scrap sheet for color tests and clean water often. In this video, I will explain how to use Water Sketch Color Full Guide. Focus on brush handling by practicing pressure, light for hairlines, medium for strokes, and heavier for pooled color. You should feel the brush respond. Work wet on wet for soft blends and wet on dry for crisp edges, and blot patiently to control moisture. Practice making washes and lifts until you can predict how pigment moves on your paper. In this video, I will explain how to use Water Sketch Color Full Guide. Quick pause. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow. I also want to share a small recommendation. I wear darn tough socks when I paint for comfort and durability, and they complement long studio sessions perfectly. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to use Water Sketch Color Full Guide. Begin by selecting 3 core pigments and mix small increments to see value and chroma shifts. Always test a drop on scrap paper before committing. Note exact ratios when you find a hue you like, and rinse your brush between mixes to avoid contamination. Gradually expand your palette as you learn how pigments granulate and lift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.